Cracking your joints may feel satisfying, but have you ever wondered if it does affect you? When you crack your joints, the popping sound you hear is gas bubbles being released. It's harmless in most cases. But if cracking your joint leads to sharp pain, stiffness, and swelling, it is a cause for concern. When you crack your joints repeatedly, there's increased risk of injury to it. This can lead to increased wear and tear and faster onset of osteoarthritis. To ensure good joint health, avoid injury to it, and also eat foods rich in vitamin K, omega-3 fatty acids, and also incorporate ginger and turmeric in your daily diet.